All right, hey everybody. I'm gonna do a couple covers for all of you, so hope you enjoy. Well, she says it's cold outside, so she hands me a raincoat. She's always worried about things like that. And she says it's all gonna end and it might as well be my fault. And she only sleeps when it's raining. And she screams and her voice is fading. She says, baby, it's 3 a.m. I must be lonely. And she says, baby, well, I can't help get scared of it. Oh, sometimes and the rain's gonna wash away, I believe it. Well, she's got a little bit of something, yeah, it's better than nothing. And in a color portrait world, she believes that she's got it all. And she swears the moon don't hang quite as high as it used to. And she only sleeps when it's raining. And she screams and her voice is fading. She says, baby, well, it's 3 a.m. I must be lonely. And she says, baby, well, I can't help get scared of it. Oh, sometimes and the rain's gonna wash away, I believe it. When she believes that life is made up of all that you used to. The clock on the wall's been stuck at 3 for days and days. She thinks that happiness is a mat that sits on a doorway. But outside, it stopped raining. And she says, baby, well, it's 3 a.m. I must be lonely. And she says, baby, well, I can't help get scared of it. Oh, sometimes and the rain's gonna wash away, I believe it. It's 3 a.m. I must be lonely. And she says, baby, well, I can't help get scared of it. Oh, sometimes. Thanks. And I got one more for you. If you're the bird, whenever we pretend it's summer, then I'm the worm. I know the part is such a bummer, but fair is fair. If my statements get separated, I'll scream, and you'll be there. Close your eyes, slide the cotton off of your shoulder, and feel the shine. I'm hooked, so toss me over and cast a line. Throw a party and meet my undersea friends as they arrive. You and I left our troubles far behind, but I still have just one more question on my mind. For all my pals who live in the oceans and the seas, with friends like these, well, who needs enemies? If I'm your boy, a big shortcut we remember and will enjoy. Picking apples in late September like we've done for years. And we'll take a long walk through the cornfield and I'll kiss you between the ears. If you're my girl, spin me around your room with feeling. And as we twirl, the glow in the dark stars on your ceiling will shine for us. As sweeps over the room, cause we tend to make each other blush. Well, you and I left our troubles far behind, but I still have just one more question on my mind. For all my pals who live in the oceans and the seas, with prawns like these, well, who needs anemones? You're the bird, I'm the worm, and it's plain to see that we were meant to be. We were meant to be. If you're the bird, you're the bird, I'm the worm. We were meant to be. All right. Thanks a lot, you guys. Only got a couple minutes left, not really much for another song. So I'm just going to call it for right now, and I appreciate y'all stopping by and listening. Have a good one.